frick, dude. His ex, I gotta tell him, bro. He's my bro.
Hey,
bro, guess what?
Yo,
my bad, I didn't mean
nah,
that.
bro, yo, what's up, bro?
Dude, your ex got with somebody else, bro. Look, dude.
Serious, bro?
Look, dog.
Bro, he is top.
I know, yeah. He's shy, bro.
What's up?
Bro, dude, I got a joke, dude. I came with the joke,
What's up?
dude.
Let's hear it.
All right, bro, dude. What is Bruce Lee's favorite drink?
Bruce Lee.
Yeah.
Nah, what is it?
It's water. Yeah, you just kind of, bro. What is up with your laugh?
Bro, that's not my fault. It's genetics.
No, it's not. Get your laugh in check, bro, or I'm gonna check you up.
So Sir Isaac Newton really created the laws.
Bro, dude.
So yo, what up?
Dude, guess what's better than a MILF, bro?
What?
A GILF, dog.
Gilf?
Yeah.
The freak? What do you mean?
Like freaking Aunt May, dude.
Aunt May, like Tom Holland Aunt May?
Nah, McGuire.
McGuire?
Yeah.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah.
What you mean? What you mean?
Like she's just built different, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Different?
Yeah, bro. All right, that's it. I told you, I gave you multiple.
Bro, sucker, it's not my fault.